Hi, my name is Musa Al-Saidi. We are currently standing in the Fordson High School auto shop, and today we're going to be teaching you how to use the Hunter Hawkeye Elite alignment machine.
Hi, my name is Ibrahim Abdullah. We would like to thank the Margaret Dunning Foundation for donating this machine to us. Margaret Dunning was a longtime resident of Plymouth, Michigan, and was widely known for her success as a businesswoman and her love of cars.
Before we start using this alignment machine, we would like to do some pre-alignment inspections, like checking the tire pressure. Bazzi here is checking the manufacturing specifications located on the door jamb. Once he got that number, he'll go and check for tire pressure.
It is at 28 right now. I'll bump it up a bit.
Okay. Our next pre-alignment inspection is checking tread depth. To do that, we will be using a tire tread gauge, and we will do that right now. In many states by law, a tire must be replaced at 2/30 seconds or 1 millimeter.
The tire is at 7 millimeters, and that's good.
Our final pre-alignment inspection involves checking ride height. Since this car is modified, high specs won't apply, but you can measure ride height from ground to the pinch run.
Once we've completed our pre-alignment inspection, we can start to position our vehicle on the alignment rack. We will show you how to stage the vehicle correctly for our forward roll compensation. And we will show you how to align the wheel targets onto the wheels.
Now let's start by positioning the vehicle correctly on the alignment rack for a quick count. We will make sure our front tires are aligned on the edge with the center bolt on the turn plate. Once we have moved the car forward, we will chalk the back tires. Now I'll show you guys the adjustment.
Okay, before we get too far ahead of ourselves, let's enter the vehicle's information into the alignment computer. As you can see, it says here, begin alignment. We're going to click that. We're going to look up our vehicle right here. We're going to scroll down to Ford. Okay. We're going to scroll down over here to Mustang. Okay, again. And this particular vehicle we're working on is an 89. Okay. And it's a 5.0. Okay, this now calls up the vehicle specs. This is what we need to align the vehicle to.
We are now ready to roll the car forward onto the turn plate. Stop.
The next step is to remove the pins from the turn plates and the slip plates.
It's now time to install the brake pedal depressor and steer the wheels as directed. Now time to install the brake pedal depressor.
We're now turning the wheels so that the alignment machine can pick up the current alignment angles. This now gives us the current alignment angles for all four wheels on this vehicle.
Let's show you a couple different things that we have available to help guide the process a little bit easier. One of the things we can use is illustrate adjustments. So we click here. Front camber. We can remove the rivet from the camber plate. We can loosen the straw mount attaching the nuts, these three nuts. And we can move the top strap until the desired camber is okay. For the front toe, we can loosen the lock nut and if necessary, dust the hoop clamp, rotate the tire to adjust the toe.
This screen shows us our three main alignment angles: camber, caster, and toe. And that's the order that we adjust it. First we adjust camber, then caster, and then toe. As you can see, camber is within specification, so we don't need to do anything there. However, the caster is out a little bit on the passenger side. We're going to adjust caster, and then we'll adjust toe, and we're going to show you how to do that right now. So the first step in adjusting caster is to loosen those 3 nuts at the top of the strut. The first step in adjusting a toe is loosening up the jam nut. Once you've loosened up the jam nut, you can rotate the tie rod itself to move the leading edge of the tire in or out to adjust toe.
Our next helpful tip is video animations. Let's say I want to adjust the toe. So I click on this bar graph, looks like a steering wheel, and it would be the 4th option. It's called video adjustments. I click it, and it would show me a video about adjusting the toe.
Toe adjustments are provided at each tie rod assembly. To adjust, remove the clamp of the bellows loop. Loosen the jam nut.
And this video is for this specific car also.
The specified toe is achieved.
Our next helpful tip is tools and kits you need for that job. So let's say again, I want to go to the toe, I want to see what tools I need. So this time would be the 6th option. It's called tools and kits. I can click on it, and then now it would tell me the tools I need to adjust that toe. So I need a 13mm wrench and 22mm wrench. I can also look at all the tools needed for all angles. So I can just click on this drop menu here and click all angles. And now this would give me all the tools I needed to make all adjustments.
In this video, we showed you how to do the pre-alignment inspections and stage the vehicle correctly for forward roll compensation. We showed you how to mount the wheel targets to the wheel so that they're firm and secure. We also showed you how to identify the vehicle in the WinAlign software to get the correct alignment specifications for our vehicle. We hit on some of the helpful topics that are built in the WinAlignment system, such as tools, kits, and video adjustments. In future videos, we hope to show you a little bit greater depth about how to make actual adjustments on the vehicle. At this point, we'd like to take a last opportunity to thank the Margaret Dunning Foundation, without whose support, this all would not be possible. So thanks again.